Hello everyone, I am Sasha Semyon and you are watching my YouTube channel Trade Contractor. Today I would like to give you a part 2 of the last episode I recorded yesterday. That episode concentrates on a topic whether it is a good time now to invest in stock market, and if it is, what strategy of investing you should choose. As we discussed before, you can decide and choose to invest long term when you buy stocks or mutual funds and you plan to hold them for a long time, few years. Or you can decide and try to day trade stocks or swing trade when you will buy them and sell them after a relatively short period of time. You remember that yesterday I showed you a hand made chart of S&P 500 index performance for the past 5 years. Just to remind you, there it is. Today I would like to show you where I got that chart. I didn't wake up yesterday morning and grab my marker and just zigzagged something on a piece of paper. I took it from Yahoo Finance website, and being a contractor, a real contractor for 25 years, I am pretty good at drawings. Now I'm hoping to become pretty good at trading. Let me try to switch. Here we are. This is a Yahoo Finance page, and in front of you is, let me move myself, in front of you is the same chart that I tried to, and I think I did a pretty good job to replicate here. So as we can see, 500 biggest companies in the United States have been performing tremendously well from 2015 all the way up to 2018. And then, as I mentioned yesterday, the market became doing that zigzagging up and down. It's called volatility. You still can see that the market in general market direction is still up. It's still growing. As a matter of fact, today it hit, I believe, all-time high. Now, the question is, if you decide to invest tomorrow, would it be a good time, or should you wait for a while before you see that the market, before you see what market decides to do? Because there are only two ways it can go. It can continue its uptrend up, or it can correct itself and go down. Only time will show. But as we all know, markets do go up and down. Markets do crash. Markets do correct themselves. The chances are that that correction is not that far in the future, or pretty high. As we can see, the market has been going up for a very, very long time, for 5 years. Not to mention that we are not seeing what market did, and I believe that if we pull back to 2009, when the market start their recovery from a world recession, then that chart probably will look like that from 2009 up to 2019. More than 10 years. How big are the chances that that trend will continue for another a year, 2 years? That's the question. Let's say you don't want, or let's say you don't like idea of day trading whatsoever. You think it's too risky, it takes too much time. Can you invest now? I would strongly advise not to. You still can, but you need to be patient and have probably another at least 5 years or maybe longer before you can hope that your investment achieved substantial return and brought you a profit. Let's say you bought tomorrow and the stock market crashes the day after tomorrow. It probably will take a market a year and a half to recover, and it probably will take another couple years to get back where we are now. And then again, we don't know, it might just find that resistance and bounce right back down, or it can hit new highs and then you will make money. That's why I decided that in this particular environment, I would prefer to day trade. I prefer to buy stocks and sell them within one day and have mostly cash on my Robinhood account. I still have few positions that I purchased not too successfully. I thought I scooped the bottom. I thought that I bought great deep and stock kept going down. So I'm now waiting for those stocks to come back to where I purchased them. Hopefully I can sell them without loss or maybe make a couple bucks. But anyway, let me share with you another very interesting chart. This is actually TD Ameritrade platform. And what we're looking at is a Apple chart. Apple today came out with the earnings report and it beat analysts' estimates. As you can see, Apple hit all-time high, almost $250. Now, if I scroll down a little bit, unfortunately it's frozen for some reason. But if you look at this chart, and if you look at Apple's chart, you see how much they are similar in their pattern. That all said, I'd like to make a point that it's only your personal decision when to invest in stock market, what methods of investment to use, what stocks to buy. Please do your research, do the due diligence, look at the resources that I gave you last night and resources that are available on YouTube. Learn, educate yourself. That's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and learned something. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I am Sasha Semyon. This is Trade Contractor YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.